It's us. Man, what they do, man? It's your boy TJ Too Smooth, Trader One, and in this video, you'll see me prepping my car because I'm about to wrap it. I don't know if you've seen that video yet. If you haven't, go to my page, check it out. Hopefully, it's uploaded by now. By the time you're viewing this, and you can see what color I chose, even if I haven't uploaded the full thing yet. And if I have, check it out, leave a comment, tell me what you think. But that's not really what this is about. It's not about the color. It's more about how do you get those door handles off. So while I was looking online, it was a little difficult to find exactly how to get the door handles off. I went to a few forums and I checked here on YouTube, and I figured it out. So apparently this whole car is held together by T20 screws, and it's no different for the door handles. I'm going to show you in just a second how to get them off. My bad, I don't have any music on this video. I actually just got the iPhone 15 and I don't have a way to connect this to my computer and put all my music on there. So don't mind that, but I think that you'll be happy with this tutorial. And this is your one-stop shop. It's your boy TJ Too Smooth. Subscribe to the channel. I appreciate the love. Give this video a thumbs up if I helped you. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what year your Charger is. Let's talk about it. TJ Too Smooth. Let's go. All right, guys, if you want to wrap your whole door and remove your door handles without them being in the way, this is how you do it on a Dodge Charger. So open that up. See this cap right here? Behind there is a screw. Pull my chair up and I'll show you. This right here, this little cap, you want to pop this off. And so you don't lose it, place it somewhere where you know you'll find it. I'm using this cup. This is a T20 star head screwdriver. You just want to get in there and loosen this screw until it lets go of that handle. You don't want to pull the screw out. You just want to loosen it. All right. Not loose enough. Boom. Boom. That took long enough. Boom. There you go. Easy as 1, 2, 3, guys. Happy rapping. It's your boy TJ Too Smooth Trader 1. Subscribe to the channel. See y'all in the next one.
Yeah. Okay. It's us.